Hello guys, welcome to Clean Review. In this video we will see how to preheat in Samsung oven for baking purpose. Model in this video is CE1041DSB3. First select convection option, then it will show default temperature on screen which is 190. If you don't change temperature within 5 seconds, it will go to next option. Let me show you again. See here it automatically took 180 as default and moved to time selection screen. So make sure to change temperature immediately if you need less or higher than 180. After changing temperature, press select. Now we need to select duration. That is how much time we need to heat. Here you can directly press start if you want to go with default duration which is around 12 minutes. Use arrows here to change if you have any specific time. Select and hold arrows to change at higher rate. Now press start. Preheating started now. Press this button twice to stop in middle of preheating. This is option to turn off or turn on rotating. Press once to stop temporarily, and now door can be opened. Close door and press start to resume again. I also made a video on how to use Slimfry option in Samsung oven and also how to make use of dough proof while making bread. Check out these videos, I will add link in description. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.